This is July's invitation to Small Creators Sunday. This is the challenge that I host on the second Sunday of every month at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time and is for DIY YouTube content creators who have less than 5,000 subscribers as a way for us to get together and help grow our channels. The theme for July is Beach, Please. So anything coastal, beachy, sand, ocean, anything like that is perfectly fine. Mermaids, I'm okay with. And this playlist will go live July 10th at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. The rules are simple. Make sure you link to me and the playlist in your description box. Use Small Creator Sunday in your title. And don't forget to follow the theme for the month, which is beach content. If you're only on Instagram, use hashtag Small Creator Sunday to participate there. And don't forget, the playlist goes live at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Make sure your videos are set to premiere or unlisted until then. I hope to see you guys there.